Luna, the moon, our beautiful little satellite that orbits the Earth. It is a constant companion with us in the day and in the night. But an interesting question we can ask is, where did it come from? This is a great time to ask, seeing as the Artemis 2 mission is getting very, very close to the moon. As of publishing this, I believe they should be pretty much captured by the moon's orbit now. But the question again comes up, where did the moon come from? Well, there were a few theories to begin with. After all, maybe the moon formed when Earth formed. A lot of other planets have moons. Those moons probably formed as other debris that sort of started orbiting those planets and merged together. So one of the other concepts was, well, if it's a really big thing, maybe it was like a planet, sort of maybe like a Mercury-sized planet sort of thing. And it just entered in and happened to get caught in our gravitational field, and we gained a little moon, which would be very cool as well. So we went to the moon. Back in the 60s, the Apollo missions landed on the moon, and they collected moon rocks. And when those got brought back and analyzed, we found they looked very similar to the stones on Earth, but they were different. There were some differences. So which of these theories could it be based on this information? Well, if the moon had come from elsewhere and entered, we'd expect it to be pretty different. But if it was made from similar materials to the Earth, we would expect it to be almost the same. But it's similar with a bit of a difference. So the current theory is a planet the size of Mars, which we have named Theia, came and collided with Earth. So that means that Earth and a planet maybe like 90% the size of Earth smashed together, and big pieces were ejected out. And that ejected material formed into the moon. And since there was so much ejected material, because we had two big planets smashed together, that's part of the reason why the moon is so big. So that is potentially where the moon came from. This would explain why the material is very similar to that of Earth, but different, because Theia was a different rock, a different planet. Part of Earth and part of Theia essentially merged together to get us the moon. So that's the current theory, but where do you think the moon came from? If you like this video and want to know more about physics and science, subscribe to the channel. I do this stuff all the time. See you in the next one.